So today, we will learn about titles and meta description. SEO is not only about using keyword, but also about making your web pages appealing to users. To attract visitors, your search result should stand out with a compelling URL, title, and description. These three elements play a crucial role in convincing people to choose your website over others in search result. Page URL. A page URL is the web address that directs user to a specific page on the website. It typically includes the domain name and the path to the page. A well-structured URL is descriptive, easy to read, and often include relevant keyword to improve SEO and help user understand the content of the page. Page title. A page title is the clickable headline displayed in the search engine result and the browser tab. It should be clear, concise, and include relevant keyword. For a gym membership, an example title could be Affordable Gym Membership Plan. This helps to attract users and improve SEO. For example, let's use ChatGPT to update the page title. Suggest ways to update the following title to describe what is on the page better. Affordable Gym Membership Plan. It will now suggest different page title we can use. Meta description. It is a brief summary of web page content that appear below the title in search engine result. It should be concise, informative, and contain relevant keyword to encourage click. While it doesn't directly impact ranking, a well-crafted meta description can improve click-through rate by attracting users to your page. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to generate meta description for us. Analyze the content and generate meta description. I will then paste some content. Now it will generate the meta description for us. The page title, meta description, and URL are part of the web page code in the head section. This element can be edited in different ways depending on the website platform. The URL should also be descriptive and helpful for better user experience and SEO. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll learn about rich result. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.